There have been many cases where, after a person's unfortunate passing, their life insurance payout, meant for their wife and children, was blocked by creditors, disputed by relatives, or delayed in legal battles. But there's a little known legal provision that silently protects families from all of this. It's called the Married Women's Property Act, or MWPA. And today, you'll learn how this one clause can make all the difference for your family's future. The MWPA was enacted in 1874 to protect the financial rights of married women in India. And since 1923, it includes life insurance policies too. If a married man buys a life insurance policy under MWPA for the benefit of his wife or children, the payout legally becomes their exclusive property. No one else can touch it. Even if the husband had loans, liabilities, or legal cases pending. Take the case of Harshad Mehta, one of India's most controversial stockbrokers. He faced criminal charges, had enormous debts, and his assets were seized. But one thing stayed untouched, his 10 crore rupees life insurance policy. Why? Because it was registered under MWPA. His family received the entire amount, shielded from the chaos, thanks to this legal protection. Mr. Roy, a small business owner, had taken loans to expand. But fearing the worst, he bought a term insurance policy under MWPA for his family. Sadly, he passed away unexpectedly. When creditors tried to seize the payout, the court refused because MWPA made the proceeds untouchable. His wife and children received the full 50 lakh rupees. Now here's where many people get confused. A nominee is not the owner, just a receiver. A nominee can be challenged by relatives, creditors, even in-laws. But with MWPA, your wife or child becomes the legal owner permanently. If you're buying an LIC policy, you can use MWPA easily. Here's how. Choose MWPA endorsement at the time of buying the policy. Fill LIC's MWPA addendum like Form 1A or Form 9. Submit it along with your proposal. That's it. You've created a legal trust that no one can break. But remember, you can't add MWPA later. It must be done at the beginning. MWPA is not just for businessmen. You should definitely use it if you have a home loan or business liabilities. You live in a joint family. You are an NRI with Indian assets. Or simply want 100% protection for your wife and children. No matter your income, MWPA is your legal safety switch. By endorsing your policy under MWPA, you ensure that your family's financial future remains secure. Before we wrap up, here are a few important things you must know about MWPA. You can appoint a trustee, someone like a lawyer or a trusted family member, to handle the claim process, especially if your children are minors. This ensures smoother and faster settlement. You cannot take loans or assign the policy once it's endorsed under MWPA. The policy becomes legally locked and cannot be used as collateral. What happens if the couple divorces later? If the policy was taken under MWPA and the wife was named as the beneficiary, she remains the legal owner of the policy benefits even after divorce. This is because MWPA creates an irrevocable trust, and the beneficiaries once chosen cannot be changed, not even by court order. So even if the man remarries, the second wife cannot claim the benefits of that earlier policy. Only the original MWPA named wife or children are legally entitled. Most people buy life insurance for peace of mind. But true peace comes when you know it'll actually reach the ones you love. MWPA makes that possible, simply, legally, and permanently. If you're an LIC agent or policyholder, don't ignore this. Talk to your agent. Ask for MWPA. Protect what truly matters.